Hi, I'm Old Sneelock. Welcome to another episode of Old Sneelock's Workshop. Well, it's springtime here in Michigan, and time to start thinking about planting flowers. Now, we can't go buy any, and it's hard to get anything to plant other than at Tractor Supply, and they don't have a lot of flowers. So, is what it is. But I am going to set up a little garden in the wheelbarrow, and the first thing I need to do is remove this one here. There used to be an apple tree there, and we decided that the apple tree needed to go. It was a crab apple, and it was really in sad shape.
When we bought the house, the tree looked like this. There was a bird bath hanging off the side of it. Pretty sad shape.
So we cut down the tree, and I bucked it up into firewood, and we burned it in the fireplace. Then we took the short stump and set a flower pot on it for a while, and eventually, with all the fertilizer and everything we were putting on it, the stump rotted away. And now the stump is gone, and last year we put a pot in there. This year we decided to just take the whole garden out, put it back to grass, and then put the wheelbarrow sitting where it is. So that's what we're going to do today. First thing I got to do is remove all these stones. Seems like I do more moving stones than anything else. This little two-wheeled handcart has seen a tremendous amount of work. With it you can move 600 pounds of material with one guy. It's that 6-to-1 leverage. But just because you can, doesn't mean you should. Moving a small amount of these things is much better than hauling around 600 pounds trying to go across rough ground. Cut all the cement blocks out of there, and we'll move them around back and put them around the flower bed back there, around the base of the maple tree. There's a pretty good chance that they won't all stay back here. For one reason, I only got enough to go about 2/3 of the way around the tree. For another reason, we don't want to have dirt too high up on the base of the tree. You tend to smother the roots and kill the tree. Now out here, the roots can get up close enough to the top of the dirt so that they can pull in a little bit of air. You can see where they're peeking through the ground out here. Those silver maples really do that. Silver maples spread out about either at soil level or just above. And I've put dirt over the top of them 3 or 4 times, and they just grow right up through the top of it. But springtime, projects to do. Looks like I'm about 3/4 of the way around. One of the reasons that I went with these kind of cement blocks, they make them by the ton. And you can buy them at pretty much any lawn and garden store, or any big box store for that matter. Squirrels do like loose dirt. They also like having a nicely laid out spot where the loose dirt is, so they know exactly where they buried them. If you have any suggestions for a new video, questions about today's video, or any of the other videos on the channel, just drop a note in the comments. You know I read them all. Thanks for watching.
This video is not to be viewed by anyone under the age of 13 in the US or 16 in the European Union, without the express written permission of the parents or legal guardians of the underage person. Such written permission must be on file at the local government entity in charge of enforcing the rules and regulations established by the FTC. Anyone violating these terms is admitting by default that they hold harmless the owners and operators of this channel. Any and all questions should be addressed to your local branch of the FTC.